ever be able to make money on Instagram? Let's talk about it. Hey, what's up? I'm Rasha and welcome to my channel. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. And today we're going to be talking about the Instagram monetization updates. A few months ago, I talked about the new Instagram monetization policy that was coming to Instagram. I'm going to link it in the cards above, and it's not here yet. So I wanted to come and do an update to that video and let y'all know where we're at with that. So as we all know, early summer last year of 2020, Instagram came out and said, we're going to be monetizing IGTV. We're going to add ads to IGTV so that creators will be able to make money from their IGTV videos. It was a concept that was very similar to YouTube. Now, mind you, this is before Reels and everything. So we were looking forward to seeing what that was going to be like. And we're like, okay, Instagram has taken stories from Snapchat. They, have a habit of taking things and making it their own or even making it better. So we were looking forward to it. We were like, okay, ads on IGTV. Okay, maybe we all need to stop wasting our time on YouTube and looking into Instagram. Who knows? Instagram got the girls' coins anyway. So let's see what they're talking about. Okay, so they did the test phase or whatever, and they talked about, oh, it should be rolling out at the end of the summer. Never happened. Never happened.
Got him! Got it.
And so now no one's getting Instagram TV ad money. Well, there might be still people in the beta, but we ain't getting it and we don't know nothing else about it. They still haven't come out and said, oh, you have to have this many followers in order to get it or what. So IGTV ads are on pause. However, they did mention moving it up until 2021. So hopefully this year we see IGTV ads coming to our platforms so that we can start making money off of our IGTV videos. So what does that mean for you? That means that you need to start creating IGTV videos. You need to get your followers used to watching your IGTV videos so that when ads come, you can start monetizing those videos. And we need to start adding IGTV videos into our strategy. Actually, if you check out this video, and I'll link it in the cards above, Instagram mentioned that you should be posting IGTV videos 1 to 3 times a week, which we all know you can take lives and convert them into IGTV videos. So this might be really easy for some of us, but make sure that you are starting to figure out how you're going to be able to implement IGTV videos into your Instagram strategy, because you don't want to jump on this wave as soon as IG releases monetization for IGTV. Now, there is another update for monetization. So actually, there's another way that creators are getting paid, and people are actually getting paid from this today, is they're monetizing their lives. So just like here on YouTube, where you can get super chat, Instagram now has this feature called Instagram badges, where people from your live can pay creators directly. Well, kind of. And I can donate, I think the cheapest is 99 cents up to, I don't know. I don't know the max you can donate. But you can turn on your badges for your lives and let your followers donate directly to you. Again, there's no information about this. This is still in beta. They haven't said which creators get it, which creators don't. They haven't said you need 20,000 followers. I've seen people with smaller accounts get it. I've seen people with larger accounts have it. I've seen people with larger accounts who don't have it. So that's a way where you can donate directly to the creator, just like how TikTok has it as well, by buying badges, and the badge will show when you comment on the live or whatever. So again, a great way for creators to make money. So what does this all mean? Instagram knows its position in the market. Instagram knows that it's one of those top tiers, just like TikTok came at the beginning of the pandemonium and took the world by storm. Instagram knows that it has to make sure that it is keeping its creators there, and by keeping its creators there, it's going to also keep its users there. And so they're thinking of different ways to pay their creators. If you think about it, just about every other platform, especially major platform, pays their creators except Instagram. And so now Instagram is coming up with different ways so that they can pay creators and to keep creators creating content and using the platform so that they can keep followers. Because if all your creators leave the platform, or all your creators focus are on another platform, then guess what? They're taking their followers with them. And so Instagram definitely knows that. So here's my recommendation. I recommend that you start working on IGTVs and that you start posting them now, so that when IGTV ads come out, that maybe you'll be one of the lucky creators that'll be able to use that and monetize those. I'd say start going live. I'm not saying go live every day. I'm not saying go live every week, but start figuring out how to implement live, and maybe you'll start realizing that you can get badges, because the people that I do see with badges, they typically have a routine live live that they typically do. So start going live, and maybe you'll be lucky. You can get badges. Make sure that you're focusing on building a community with your audience so that when it comes time for Instagram to roll out all these different monetization features, your audience will want to partake in your content, which will increase your revenue. And also, this is just a prediction, but I think that there's going to be some monetization efforts over on guides, especially using like the shop features and things. I think that there might be an affiliate marketing aspect coming into work. So make sure that you are utilizing all of the features, because at any point there could be a way to get paid from it. And that's just like how on TikTok they have their creator community where brands can pitch TikTokers and TikTokers can pitch brands right in TikTok. So I think that that might be coming for reals too. Instagram knows what it's doing, and Instagram will not let anybody steal any of the coin. So make sure that you are using these features and that you're staying up to date and that you don't get crusty and dusty and forgotten about when it's time to get paid from Instagram. So if you're ready to get this Instagram check, then let me know down below what you're going to be implementing so that when Instagram starts paying creators, you're the first one to get paid. But while you're here, make sure that you click on one of these videos and check them out. YouTube recommends them for you, and I think that they're great for you as well. They're free, so just watch them anyway. But I'm Rasha, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.